Struggling to change the country or region on your iPhone? Whether it's an issue with the App Store, payment methods, or accessing content, there are easy fixes for these common problems. Let me show you how to solve them quickly and easily. Step 1. Check your active subscriptions. If you have any active subscriptions, you may need to cancel them before changing your country or region. Open Settings. Tap Apple ID. Tap on Subscriptions. Cancel any active subscriptions and wait until the subscription period ends before attempting the change again. Step 2. Ensure no store credit remaining. If you have any remaining App Store or iTunes credit, you'll need to use it before changing your region. Open the App Store. Tap Profile. Next, tap on Add Money to Account. Here, you can check your balance. If you have any credit, spend it or use it up before continuing. Step 3. Update payment methods. After changing the region, you might need to update your payment method to match the new country. Open Settings. Tap Apple ID. Tap on Payment and Shipping. Make sure your billing address and payment method align with the new region. Step 4. Sign out and sign back in. Sometimes, signing out of your Apple ID and signing back in can help resolve region change issues. Open Settings. Tap Apple ID, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in using your Apple ID and attempt the region change again. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next video.